Hello guys, Acebeam has sent me this excellent UC3A mini flashlight. This one has some very nice features. Let me show you. But first we start with a little unboxing. And inside this nice paper card box, you will find this one. And this one has a lid which you can open, and then you find some warranty in Chinese and warranty card. UC manual, very good one. The manual is a nice one. It is in English in one side and it's Chinese on the other side. You can pause it if you want to read some more details about this. And there's also one with a QR code for some, what does it say, Discord. But let's see what's more inside this. You have two actually small O-rings and one clip. You clip it to something. You have a standard USB-A to USB-C, and then of course the star of the show, the Acebeam. Two switches, two light outputs, belt clip. Very well made from aluminium. It's operating by one battery, and before you can use it, you have to open the battery lid. Notice this gold spring inside. I like that. Here is also the O-ring. And here you have this battery tab that you need to remove. Inside you have a AAA battery, which has a USB-C charging port. So if this one should run out of power, you can just use ordinary AAAs. But this one gives more performance than a AAA battery. So it says in the manual it's recommended to use this one. Okay, let me see. You can see this? Yeah. 400 milliamperes. 400 milliampere hours. How long it's working, I will provide with a sheet or something on the side here, or down here, or somewhere. So, battery inserted. Let me show you how this one is working. You have the, put it the right way around. You have the two buttons. Top one is for the front and the lower one is for the side light. Let's start with the top one. This one is just a short press and it will always come on medium. And if you hold it for a second, you will get a higher one, down to low, medium, high. Same thing all over again. If you turn it off and hold it for a second, it will go to ultra low. Very nice feature, very nice indeed. Short press and it's off. To lock this one, you hold it for 3 seconds. There you go, it will flash. And now, every time you touch it, you will not see anything here, but on the side here, you will see it will flash every time you touch this one. This is indicating it is locked. Then you just keep again, hold it for 3 seconds, and it will flash 2 times, I think it was. 3 times maybe. And then it's back on. Good to know. This button is also on-off. It's always start on, that we call it high. It is 2 level. You can hold it down for a second, and it will be low. Hold it down, it will be high. If you keep pressing it, it will change like this. High, low, high, low, high, low. If you double tap it, you get into the RGB light. And here is the same. You get, if you hold it for half a second, you will get to low, hold it, high. If you hold it all the time, it will change. High, low, high, low, high, low. Double tap again. Blink, double tap again. You will get green, double tap, blinking. Double tap. Yeah, you understand. This is happening every time you do this. Double tap, blinking, double tap. You got the police, red, blue, red, blue. Double tap, RGB. If you hold it for a second, you can change it to dim. You cannot. No, you cannot. Double tap, and you're back on normal. If you turn this one on and want to use this one, it will switch off this one and then this one. If you just turn on this one again, it will switch off this one and this one will be on. I don't think you can use both at the same time. No. They will always change. Let's test it in the dark room to see how the beam pattern looks and how it lights up the room. That is always interesting. Okay, in the dark room, this is the lowest setting. Let me turn it off. Looks like this, and we press and hold it, and you get this candle light, very, very dim. And if I press and hold for a second, you get the lowest normal setting. Looks good to me. Oh, sorry, not press off. One on. Here we have the highest one, low, medium, and high. There is one more function on this one, and if you triple tap the top button, 1, 2, 3, then you will get this very annoying strobe. Oh, it's not good to look at all. Oh, yeah. Yes. That is also good to know. Let's test the side light. One short press and you get the high setting, and hold it for a second, and it's the low setting. Yeah. And press it for 0.5 and it's a high setting again. If you double tap it, you get the red one. And the same here, hold it for a short bit and it will be low and high. Double tap, you get the blinking. Double tap, get the green one. Let's see, like this, maybe better. Double tap, green blink, blue, police, blue, red, RGB. That one is maybe a little hard to see on the camera. Yeah. Double tap and you're back on it. Back on it again. Okay guys, there you have it. This nice little flashlight from, what is it called? Acebeam UC3A. Very intuitive, I think is the English word. Here you can put your keychain or something. And all made of metal. Very strong clip. If it's possible for me to show you this. Yeah, you understand. Strong clip. All from super durable aluminum. You get it in different colors. So yeah, I will provide links for it up in the corner and of course down in the description so you can check out the latest prices and everything. You say slow down, I don't love. So there you have it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in the next one. Goodbye. Anodes, yeah, everything. So 400 milliamperes, 400 milliamps of, no, it's not that. It is 400 milliampere hours.